Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you've started uploading a story on Instagram and realized it's not quite what you wanted? I'm going to show you how you can cancel the story upload with just one click of a button. Instagram has added a new feature where they'll allow us to cancel the Instagram story upload so you won't have to wait for your story to upload and then delete it. We will first go over to our App Store or the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. You just have to make sure that you have the latest version of the Instagram application installed on your device. This is a new feature, so make sure to update Instagram to the latest version if you haven't already, and we can continue to the next step. I'm going to open my Instagram app, and then I'll go over through the process of uploading a new story. I will select a cool little video, which I've recorded, and the process of canceling is the same, whether you share it with all of your followers or only the close friends. I'm going to share my story, and it will start uploading to my Instagram account. I'm going to tap on my profile picture in order to see the progress of the story, and if I open the viewer section, you can see that we don't have any button to cancel the upload in here. Instead of that, we'll go over to our story, and in order to cancel it, you will tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you'll get two different options. You want to tap on this Cancel Upload button, and a little window will pop up over our screen. It says here that if we cancel our upload, we will lose any changes that we've made unless we save this as a draft. So you have the option to save the story as a draft, but I'm simply going to cancel the upload. And that's it. Our Instagram story won't be shared with our followers, and we didn't have to wait for the story to upload and delete it in order to upload a new one. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon.